We drove about 40 miles away to Munising, Michigan from Marquette, which is home of the Riptide Ride tours. This is one of the most fun boat tours that you will ever have. So if you want to go on this tour, make sure you book it and arrive early for the best seats.
This is a family-owned and operated business, so I'd like to just take
a bit of advice: bring a rain poncho or a raincoat because you will get wet. We just had our first soaking on the ride. The Grand Isle East Channel Lighthouse first opened for business in 1868. Oh, and be prepared because this stop you will get wet again. After checking out the lighthouse, we headed north along this pristine coastline at pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. The park's iconic cliffs are composed of several layers of sandstone, stained with minerals seeping from the cliffs up above, and erosion has created these beautiful walls of stone. Oh, it's dripping. There it is. It's dripping. Lake Superior is the coldest, largest, most pristine lake of all the Great Lakes. Its striking clarity is due to the low amount of organic material. This area we are visiting right now is called the Rotunda. Oh, look at all the water dripping down. Just look at the natural beauty of this beautiful, beautiful water. Along the way, you'll see various waterfalls, some large, some small, depending on the amount of rain that they've had recently. Zooming in, you can see the resident bald eagle who is about 20 years old. He's been in this area the entire time. I snapped a photo of him just as he was flying away. That green water shines like a beautiful emerald, and these rock formations are just stunning. If you keep heading north here on Lake Superior, you'll head straight to Canada. The next stop is the iconic Warrior Point. Can you see why it's called that? If you're a Marvel fan, some people say he looks like Groot. Perched way up on a cliffside is an old lighthouse no longer in use. This is another popular spot along the tour, but as you can see, a private boat had already stopped in our spot, so we didn't get to get up close and personal this time. It's open for all, so whoever gets there first gets to enjoy it. I think they were headed out for a swim. Here's something you don't see often here, a military cargo jet flying over. All in all, it was the perfect day for touring pictured rocks.